HomVent lift up top coffee table, wood and metal end table, hidden storage and lift table, top dining table, computer table, side table, living room furniture, tea table, E1 board and iron, modern furniture, wide. Shipping: the item will be shipped from US and normally arrive within 7 days, If there is a problem with the quality of the product, you can contact us at any time. We will provide you with high-quality after-sales service. Structural design: with lift-up function, easy to assemble, top lifts up and forward to create versatile work surface. Hidden storage cabinet under the lifting table, which can make full use of the space and add the effect of the table. In addition, bottom compartment storage cabinets allows you to store and place your items in categories as you like. Functions and occasions: this coffee table can be placed in the living room, dining room, bedroom, office, reception room, etc. It can also be used to display a variety of fruits, books, magazines, tea sets, flowers, computers, remote controls, etc. Perfectly integrated with your furniture. Quality: this is a simplistic coffee table with solid wood leg structure and solid E1 board. The support of lifting table is high quality iron. No need to worry about the stability and firmness of the product, it is durable in use. Dimensions: versatile and non-traditional, this coffee table features a lift-top mechanism. Overall dimensions: 41.1 x 19.5 x 19.3 to 24.6 lifting height, 4.7 height from bottom to floor, 3.1 weight, 50 pounds. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.